Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about iOS 26 beta not showing. Here's how to fix it and fast. So for this video right here, we're going to talk about how to install to iPhone 26 via iPhone 26 beta, right? So the first thing you want to do right now is go to settings. You just want to make sure what kind of version we have. And as you saw earlier, mine is 18.5 as of now. I also do not have the iOS 26 beta. So how can we fix this one? So before I get into it, just a disclaimer again that iOS 26 beta is not really out in the public just yet. Only selected areas will have this option to download the beta, and not all iPhones is associated or able to download this one. I think iPhone 14 and above or iPhone 13 and above are the only ones available. Anyway, for this one to work, go to your Safari and click on beta.apple.com. As you can see right here, new public betas for iOS 26, up to iPad 06, tvOS 06, and so much more. So basically for this one, you're going to have some choices. I'm just going to select iOS 26 right there, and it will redirect me to the iOS 26 preview. And this is going to be the features in it. There's going to be so much more. So a new design, a new whole element of delight, and so much more. So basically just scroll down all the way here, and you're going to see the compatible iPhones for this one. Alright? And I don't think mine is gonna be compatible because mine is XR. So for this one to work, just simply click on learn more about developing about iOS and you can successfully download it. You can also check other devices. If you want a Mac OS, simply click on that one right there and you're gonna have it. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.